Have you ever noticed in a lot of these cleaning videos that things just seem a little too perfect? The person's clothes look so nice, the hair is done. What is it like to be in the cleaning business? Well, today we got a treat for you. This is Adam Johnson with Turn Clean Services, and today my wife is actually cleaning inside this house. She's doing a move-in clean, and apparently there's a lot of trash, and she called and asked if I would bring her some trash bags. Of course. But what I'm going to do is surprise her with a video, and we're going to get an inside look of what it's like to be cleaning. Mind's racing, you're wore out. She's going to kill me because I'm just going to walk in with this video. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see where this video goes. Jess, it's me. It's me, babe. Hi, babe.
No.
So,
No.
the audience wants to see you cleaning. They will see what the real world's like.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
So,
I'm just about done in the kitchen.
so what are you doing in here?
I'm cleaning up garbage,
Yeah?
and I don't have any garbage bags left.
Is this the
All
garbage?
Yeah. That was all a surprise.
Babe, I'm filming you. Can you take a break from cleaning and talk to your fans out there?
I don't know how to take a break.
Look at me, babe. Hi.
Hi.
So, have you cleaned the refrigerator yet?
Yes.
You want to show us?
The light isn't on, but...
And why is the light off? This is a great tip. I know.
I unplugged the refrigerator.
Yeah?
That it wouldn't freeze my products when I sprayed them in there.
It works better, doesn't it?
Yeah, it definitely works better. This is all done. This is
Oh.
all done, wiped, and the cabinets cleaned out. Cobwebbed in the kitchen. This just needs to be, the oven needs to be, it's been sprayed.
Oh, let's see. Oh, so you sprayed it with oven off and you're waiting, letting it work.
Yeah, letting it
Okay.
work.
And you'll wipe it out.
Yeah.
So, what is it like when you're in the middle of cleaning? I was saying that things aren't always so perfect, like you see in a lot of videos.
Yeah.
What's been some of the mental challenges being in this house by yourself?
The first mental challenge was I pulled up to a house in an area I'm not familiar with, and
Yeah.
it's kind of not very nice outside, and it's kind
You
of
feel
scary.
a little nervous?
Yeah, it was scary walking into a dark house by myself.
Walk us around the house while you're talking.
And the door was unlocked, so that meant anybody could have gone in here.
Yeah, as I'm looking at.
I mean, it is dirty, but it's cleanable. Like I don't know. I don't know what dirty is anymore. Oh, here's another trash bag,
Okay.
and more trash. And I noticed they had really nice cleaning products.
Oh,
This one in particular, I would love to take, but Adam doesn't let me take things from houses,
Well-
even though they're going to go in the trash. So I don't understand him on that.
well,
but-
no. If people don't mind if you take their cleaning stuff, that's fine, especially if it's an empty house. We'll need to ask him, because I don't encourage stealing things from customers.
I'm not stealing from the customer. I'm just, the only thing I would do with that is throw it in the trash can, and it's like brand new.
No, I'm just kidding, but yeah, it's amazing the stuff people leave behind in these houses, and you can't help but wonder, am I supposed to throw this away? Do I leave it here? Do I keep it? What do I do?
I found this wall. I have like two of these walls.
All right, well, I guess you're ready for me to stop the video now, so you can get back to cleaning?
Whatever you need to do. Do you see all the cobwebs?
Oh.
Cobwebs you don't really notice
Yeah.
until you look for them.
What did the window sills look like?
I've only done one. They're
No,
fine. They're
There's
not
a
bad.
dead bug over there, babe. Do you not clean dead bugs?
I do, but they're easy. They're one swipe.
So you walked in the house today, you're kind of scared, kind of nervous, I understand that. And you walk in, you just see clutter everywhere. Mm-hmm. Did you devise a game plan in your head to get through it? How did you get started? And we can walk back in the kitchen while you're talking.
Well, start cleaning in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So I did grab a bunch of junk from all over, but I didn't want to spend all my time getting the junk up from everywhere before I started cleaning. So then I focused on the kitchen, just getting the junk, the garbage out of the kitchen, and then cleaning the kitchen. So I feel like, okay, I made some cleaning progress.
So you kind of go one room at a time?
Yes, and I'll go to the bathroom next.
Okay.
And then the rest of the house, because that doesn't require as much time as kitchen and bathroom.
Yeah, yeah. I'm a big fan of having a game plan when you go in to clean, so it's not so overwhelming as well. And I'll link the video to the cleaning checklist that you can use when you go into these vacant homes for our viewers.
You always end up cleaning more than is on the checklist.
Oh.
Just to let you know.
Oh, okay.
You could tell if you don't clean something, they'll notice.
So you're saying just because it's not on the checklist, if there's an obvious spot, don't leave it.
Yeah.
Don't leave.
The previous owner left me a lamp in the kitchen so that I had better lighting. So I appreciate that.
Hey, babe. Well, thank you so much. Can you say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
All right. If people want more cleaning videos, what can they do?
Go to.
They subscribe.
They subscribe to your channel.
All right. Please subscribe to our channel. All right. Let me get some trash. Talk to you soon. Goodbye. Hey, thanks for joining us this week on How Do I Clean? If you want more cleaning tips, click the subscribe button down there. Or if you're on Facebook, you can like our page. Hey, thanks so much. We'll see you next time on